Unlocking burst mode shooting, a snapshot to mastering photography. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting aspect of photography that can transform the way you capture moments: burst mode shooting. Whether you're a budding photographer or someone curious about enhancing your photo-taking skills, this video is tailored for you. Let's explore together what burst mode shooting is and how it can elevate your photography game. Burst mode shooting, also known as continuous shooting mode, is a camera function that allows you to take several photos in rapid succession by simply holding down the shutter button. This feature is incredibly useful for capturing action shots where movement is involved, such as sports, wildlife, or even playful moments with friends and family. In burst mode, the camera does its best to keep up with the action, snapping pictures at a rate of several frames per second. The number of photos you can take in a second varies from camera to camera, with some advanced models capable of capturing more than 20 frames per second. To make the most out of burst mode, there are a few tips you should consider. 1. Focus on your subject. Before you start shooting, make sure your camera is focused on the subject. Some cameras offer autofocus tracking that can help keep your subject sharp as they move. 2. Mind your storage. Burst mode can fill up your memory card quickly. Ensure you have ample storage space or a high-capacity memory card installed. 3. Adjust your settings. For the best results, adjust your camera settings such as ISO, aperture, and shutter speed according to the lighting conditions and the speed of the subject's movement. 4. Practice. Like any photography technique, practice makes perfect. Experiment with different subjects and settings to see what works best for you. Utilizing burst mode comes with several key benefits. Capturing the perfect moment. With burst mode, you increase your chances of capturing that perfect shot in situations full of unpredictability. High-quality action shots. It allows for a selection of high-quality images, from which you can choose the best one. Creativity. Burst mode opens up creative possibilities, allowing photographers to create sequences or composite images that showcase movement. We hope this exploration into burst mode shooting inspires you to experiment with your camera's capabilities. Whether you're capturing the dynamic action of a soccer game or the fleeting expressions of a child at play, burst mode shooting is a powerful tool in your photography arsenal. Remember, the key to mastering any new skill is practice, so don't hesitate to get out there and start shooting. Happy photographing, and see you in the next video.